Hello and welcome to PlayBASIC.com's beginner programming tutorials. The videos in this playlist are aimed at people that are either brand new to programming or brand new to PlayBASIC. That means we're going to be focusing on some really, I hate to say it, some really boring stuff initially. You know, the kind of things like really core fundamentals of PlayBASIC. So the syntax of the language and how things execute when you're running your program, getting to know the help files, that kind of thing. You know, that's the kind of stuff that no one is excited to learn, but unfortunately if you want to develop your programming skills, there's no shortcutting it. You have to know this stuff, and you don't have to be an expert at any of it. You just need to know enough of it to be able to get yourself out of problems. And as you sort of progress, you'll learn more and more tricks. I mean, tricks aren't really anything special. They're just kind of, you start to realize, oh, hang on, I didn't need that bit of code there, or I can do it a shorter way, or maybe I can use some built-in feature to do what I was doing manually or something. Now, all the tutorials, they're all shot in a sort of a first-person perspective. So it's just me chatting, actually rambling most of the time, on some subject, and I'm just capturing the screen as I type. So you'll see me typing some stuff in, running the examples, and sometimes I'll be deliberately making the examples fail and talking you through why it failed, which is quite handy. Most of our tutorials so far, when I make them, I do have an idea of what I'm going to be doing, but they're not scripted, and you can tell that. You know, I'm just sort of bumbling my way through most of the time. So you'll get a few ums and ahs and that kind of stuff. In any part that I feel is hard to follow, I'll try and put some on-screen information over the top to make sure that it clears it up for you. The things we'll be covering will be things like loops and comparisons and variables and arrays, and through to things like functions and the command set itself. Probably a little bit on how to solve certain problems as well as you're writing your programs, but we'll definitely be trying to keep most of the videos to kind of a slim view. So each video will try and stick to learning one skill at a time. So once you've gone through a bunch of them, you've now picked up a bunch of skills, and you can sort of hopefully command them at will. But you probably just, well, what tends to happen is you learn a bunch of stuff, and then you think, well, I know all this now, and you kind of jump off the cliff and you discover that you can't fly, and you crash and burn. That's what learning to code is all about. Failure is a good thing. You know, failing is actually what will make you learn. Every time you fail at something, you'll find the reason out for why something's not working, or why your idea is maybe not the best way of solving the problem to begin with, and you just keep refining those skills as you go along. Well, thanks for listening to me babble on, and I just wanted to wish you all the best with your programming. And of course, you can, if you don't have PlayBASIC, you can head across to the website PlayBASIC.com and download the free version. The free version it's much older than the current version that I'm probably using on screen. But all the things we're trying to do here in the videos should be the same, so don't worry about it. You don't need to rush out and buy it to learn this stuff. Just use the version we're giving away for free. So I'll sign off there, and just wish you all the best with your programming. And the best advice I can give anyone is don't give up. You can't fail if you don't give up. And people seem very easy to throw in the towel when it comes to coding in general. I'm not even talking about PlayBASIC there. I'm just talking about, programming is actually a difficult skill to learn, and we do need more people who can do it. And whether you learn PlayBASIC or some other language, it doesn't matter. But we need more and more people who can create software so the ideas of the future can be constructed. You might have the next big thing just kicking around the back of your head there somewhere. Okay, so I will sign off now. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you get something out of the videos, and if you have any questions, jump on the forums, those kind of things. But until next time, thanks and goodbye.